The 2023 Demon 170, the last great Hemi vehicle from Dodge, has stirred up a lot of excitement and controversy. While Dodge claims that every Demon 170 they produce is special, there is a hidden Demon 170 jailbreak program that they're trying to keep under wraps. Only a select few of lucky customers will be chosen for this program, and it comes with a heavy price tag of $30,000. But is it really worth it, or is it just overkill for an old paint color? This Demon 170 program has caused quite a stir among those who purchased the Demon 170 as an investment, as their limited edition car may lose value compared to these exclusive jailbreak versions. If Rick Hendrick didn't take my MSRP Demon 170 allocation, I personally would not do the jailbreak option because I intend to drive my Demon 170, or I intended to, and I already love the sublime green color. So no need for me to join this expensive program. But those who were invited to the program had the opportunity to have their cars repainted in one of 40 heritage colors from Dodge's past. Unfortunately, the exact details and colors of this program remain somewhat of a mystery. Now, one of the guys in the jailbreak program made a thread and posted the color books online with the 40 colors that you can pick from, but he deleted the forum post because of some hecklers, which I get hecklers every single day, so whatever. So luckily for you guys, I had a copy of one of these color books in my cache files. Now you can see 20 of the 40 colors right here. Now the other 20 colors are basically some of the more modern colors from Dodge's, present history. Like I believe some of the colors were B3 Blue, Hell Raisin, and I believe Gold Rush was one of the ones in there. But this book that I'm showing you on screen, these are the heritage colors from Dodge's past. Now, I suspect that all these jailbreak cars, they're going to be painted black at the Brampton Assembly Plant, and then they're going to be sent down to PREFIX, who has a location in Auburn Hills, for disassembly and repainting. Now, fun fact is that PREFIX, they previously worked on the Charter Daytona EV, and they probably did the red respray that debuted right around SEMA time last year. Now, I think it's very unlikely we'll see many of these special colored Demon 170s on the market, because I think they're going to just be kept in bubbles, kept in pristine condition, and only be sold at exorbitant prices. Now, I feel as though that the market's gonna be flooded with so many of the regular Demon 170s that the resale value is gonna be hurt by all those vehicles, and then all these jailbreak models. I'll tell you how many I believe is gonna be made, but I believe these jailbreak models, they're always gonna sit above all the rest of the regular Demon 170s. Now, this whole Demon 170 jailbreak program, basically Dodge lied to everyone. If you read this article that's on dodgegarage.com. Now, if you read this article by my favorite journalist, Patrick Raw, hey Pat, Dodge lied that this car that's gonna be a Barrett Jackson, the one that went across the auction block and they had to go get auctioned off twice to make 700K. They lied that would be the only custom painted Demon 170. While the exact number of cars that is in this jailbreak program hasn't been publicly disclosed, there cannot be more than 40 cars in this program. Now, this is based on my understanding that each color can only be used once in this program, and I've heard rumors that about 20 to 24 cars were selected for this program. But we'll just have to wait until the last Demon 170 rolls off the assembly line to know the exact number of cars that was in this program and which colors were chosen. All this information should be on the window sticker. I would like to say, Dodge, if you guys have a bright idea for another secret program in the future, just don't do it. Just come out and say that you're gonna have some kind of program to let people know, because all of us talk in the background. I mean, we got secret groups where we communicate and talk to each other. Once you sent that first email out, those first few people about this Demon 170 program, this jailbreak program, we already knew how much it was gonna cost, and we knew, all the colors already. So just come out and just say the next time you're gonna be doing this, don't alienate people. I mean, me, myself personally, I already know about this program pretty much the first probably a few hours. People was asking me questions about it, and then I already know about your whole interior colors coming that you're trying to keep secret as well, but I'll talk about that in a minute. But let's get right into an email that Dodge sent for the selection process for the jailbreak program. Now, this email kind of like raised my eyebrows reading it, because it's kind of disrespectful, honestly. So let's read this email straight from the mouth of Dodge themselves. An extremely small number of select individuals were invited to participate in the Jailbreak 170 exclusive paint program based on their new Charger and Challenger purchase history and Dodge brand affiliation. This one-on-one paint job will add an extra layer of customization and collectability of the record-breaking Last Call SRT Demon 170. While this is available to those who have meant so much to the latest era of Dodge muscle, we recognize and thank you for your passion and appreciate your interest, but we are unable to accommodate your requests. So basically, I took that as everyone who did not get invited to the program, you just don't mean that much to Dodge. I can't believe they would put that in an email, but I hope they don't wonder why people are going to be jumping ship next year, because they email sounds like they are alienating longtime customers who spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on their products over the years. I know people who got a Demon 170 allocation and purchased double-digit vehicles from Dodge and did not get invited. Heck, I know 2 people who have purchased over 20 Challengers and still did not get an invite. And I bet you'll see a few of these Jailbreak Demon 170s on social media, all because of that little snippet, Dodge brand affiliation. So just like Rick Hendrick taking my Demon 170 allocation and handpicking who he thinks deserves to have that car, Dodge are gonna do the exact same thing and handpick who they feel deserves the opportunity, rather than allow people to choose to spend $30K more on a custom paint job. Me, myself personally, I wouldn't have done this program because no way I would pay $30K for a paint job when I can just wrap my Demon whatever color that I want. Now, I also heard of a new interior color that is coming as well, and I was told it would come to production cars later this year. And I know that one of those Demon 170 jailbreaks is going to have that new interior color. Now, I'm not going to say what color this new interior is, but I do know of some cars that currently exist with this new color that Dodge doesn't want anyone to know about for now. I wouldn't do this interior color because it wouldn't go with Sublime Green. So that's one clue right there for you right there. Now, as far as the Jailbreak name being used for this Demon 170 Jailbreak program, a new color on the interior and exterior is not a jailbreak in my eyes. I don't understand why people who ordered a super stock and a Demon 170 didn't automatically have the ability to jailbreak the cars exactly how they wanted. If people are going to pay these insane markups that these dealers colluded, I mean, market adjusted, we could at least have the ability to pick caliper colors, badge colors, maybe get brass monkey colored wheels or those ugly colored wheels on the King Daytona and the Black Ghost that now all of a sudden everyone liked but no one ordered, and then maybe some more interior options. Why couldn't anyone pick the Hammerhead or that tan interior color if they got a Demon 170 or a super stock? But I guess the journalists don't want to ask those questions or bite the D that feeds them, and that D stands for Dodge. So to close out this video, I'm just going to say that I think Dodge have been taking L's the last 2 years, and this new program is just another example of pissing off the other Demon 170 owners by making their vehicles less valuable because now they won't have a jailbreak. If people want to pay an extra $30,000 to respray their Demon 170, everyone should have had the opportunity, and they should be able to go to PPG, just like that auction off Demon 170, and pick whatever color is in the PPG catalog, and then pair that with all the interior colors, black, red, hammerhead, that tan color. I don't really like the color, so that's why I can't remember the name of it. They introduce maybe a blue interior, a green interior, a purple interior, maybe an orange interior. But hey, that's just me, the unofficial Common Sense CEO. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave me a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Grab some Last Call merch on your way out. Until the next time, I'm out.